Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Coding. Today we will try to talk about the Game Turbo of features which is available in the MI11X device, friends. So recently the MI11X device has got launched in India in the Amazon. A lot of users are really interested to know all the features and tips and tricks and battery performance, camera, display and everything. So in this video I will be mainly focusing only on the Game Turbo features. So Game Turbo is specially designed for the Redmi Poco Mi phones, so which will be the gaming tool, so which will be very much useful for a lot of users while gaming. So let me try to show you, friends, all the tips and tricks, all the features which is available with this Game Turbo application. So just in case if you're watching first time this channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel, friends, and for more videos on this Mi11X device which I spoke about, so make sure to check this playlist, so where you can find close to 100 videos which are uploaded on the Mi11X device. So let's begin this kind of Game Turbo features, how to enable that, all these options. So first you need to go to this security application. So let me try to show you, friends, so where you can find the security. So just type security in the search, you can find here. So once you open the security application, just scroll down and you will find the Game Turbo features. If you cannot find here, try to move. So here you found the Game Turbo. So try to open the Game Turbo application just by tapping on that one. As you can see, friends, whenever you open the Game Turbo, you do get this kind of option, this kind of sound effects and even some kind of vibrations on the back side. So it is a Game Turbo interface. This is how it looks and everything. You will get all the games in one space, as you can see. So whenever you try to scroll and move around between the games, you do get very good backside haptic feedback. That's another good thing, friends. So that's one thing I'll particularly like in this phone. As you can see here, all the games are available here, and on the top you can see the CPU performance and the GPU performance, how much percentage it's utilizing, and the battery percentage as well. And if you tap on the settings, you do get additional extra settings as well. So if you go to the game settings, you do have all these kind of options. So Game Turbo, in-game shortcuts, remove and add games from home screen, uninstall games, home screen layout. If you want horizontal or vertical, you can choose from, and the performance mode, if you want, you can use this kind of options as well. As you can see here, all these extra benefits you are getting in this phone. So these are, as you can see here, 5G network optimization and the memory exceptions. So if you want, you can use that one, and game do not disturb mode as well. So these are the few options which are available particularly in this phone. So not only that, you do have special options under this arrow mark. As you can see, friends, just tap on the arrow mark and now you can enable all this kind of options in your device, as you can see, friends. So right now, starting with the GPU. So starting with the GPU performance, you can use the default or save power or balanced or high quality or custom if you want. So if you select the custom options, you can actually control the FPS meter, how much the game can actually perform. So if some games, if they support up to 120 FPS, then definitely, if you don't have that kind of battery and performance, if you want to decrease below 60, so usually in the settings display you do have that 120 Hz and 60 Hz, you can do that. But if you want to maintain 60, below 60, you can do that, or maybe in between 60 and 120 to save some kind of battery. So maybe you can try in this way. So this is a method, friends, how you can actually use that. So next is the resolution. So resolution also you can change to 720 resolution. So this is another good thing. So you do have the option of the anti-aliasing and the, as you can see, all those options, extra benefits. So this is particularly available only in this custom options. So individual games you can actually change what type of settings they require. As you can see, in the additional settings, you do have this kind of option which is a pro mode, customize, as you can see here. So pro mode will be having control over the one side of the direction, so where you can set from, and the classic mode and all those things. So once I set, let me try to start playing the game by tapping on that one. So this is the game, friends, which is the Call of Duty right now, which I am using as an example. And meanwhile, don't forget to check the links in description for live wallpapers and other videos. Make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. So once the game has been started, you can see on the top notification, small toolbar, as you can see here, friends. So the small gaming toolbar, so which will be very much beneficial while gaming. So let me try to start playing the one of the game, so you actually know the difference, how much it actually makes. So the difference. So as you can see here, so first is that you do get the option of boosting. The RAM boosting is there, and the screenshot and the screen recording. So these are other normal applications, but if you tap this arrow mark, you can actually use all the applications in your phone as a floating window. So if you tap on the Google Play Store, this will open as a floating window. As you can see friends, you can minimize the floating window and you can use in small way, or even you can throw a left or right top corner and they become very small. So as you can see here, so if you're watching YouTube videos, you can actually watch the YouTube video and play the game at same time in this phone. So that is a use case of this feature, this particular thing. So let me try to close this floating window. And next is, if you click this arrow mark, you do get the option of the combos, do not disturb, Wi-Fi switch, and let me just show you another voice changer. So voice changer is also available friends in this phone. I'll try to do the separate video on the explaining voice changer, so how you can actually activate and what are the voices is available. So let me just show you, for example, as a voice changer. So these are the few voices which are available in this phone as well. So these are the few things you need to know. And there's another option called visual enhancement. So let me try to close this one. So let me try to change. So it is a visual enhancement, saturated, bright and saturated. So this will increase the colors and enhance the colors as well while gaming. So this is a very much useful feature friends for most of the users. As you can see right now, it's very much sensitive right now after using the pro settings while gaming in this Call of Duty particularly. I did see that kind of change at the moment friends. As you can see here friends, so the overall everything looks perfectly fine in this phone without any kind of issues. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more this kind of unique kind of comparisons which I'll be doing right now in my channel. As you can see here friends, so which is really amazing in this phone playing this kind of games, so which looks completely smooth while gaming in this phone. So no problem at all, as you can see friends. And that's it friends, this is a quick review on the Game Turbo features in this phone. Overall it was perfectly good using this kind of features, and the main thing which I like is the voice changer is the first thing I like, and the floating window as well, because sometimes if you want to watch the videos and play the game, then you can do that. So floating window and the voice changer are my favorite things. And this is another thing which is a visual enhancement is also one of my favorite things, so which will actually increase the colors while watching or while playing the games, as you can see here. So thank you friends for watching this video, and for more videos make sure to subscribe and stay tuned, and see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.